In machine learning, not all classification problems are the same. Depending on how your labels are structured, you'll be dealing with binary classification, multi-class classification, or multi-label classification. Let's break them down with clear examples. Binary classification is the simplest type. You have two categories and each data point belongs to one or the other. Imagine plotting points on a two-dimensional graph, and those points represent two different classes, red and blue. Your job is to draw a boundary that separates one group from the other. Each new point is assigned to one side or the other. Now take a step further. In multi-class classification, each data point still belongs to just one category, but now you have more than two possible categories. Imagine plotting points on a two-dimensional graph, but this time there are three different classes, red, blue, and green. Each point belongs to exactly one color, and the model's job is to figure out which color it should be. Now, instead of drawing a single boundary, the model needs to separate all three groups at once, learning to distinguish red from blue, blue from green, and green from red. Now let's look at multi-label classification, the most complex type. Here, a single input can belong to multiple categories at once. Think of taking a photo. One picture might contain a motorcycle, a car, and a bus. It doesn't belong to just one class, it belongs to several. So instead of answering which one, the model is answering which ones apply here. Each label is treated independently, and multiple labels can be active at the same time. To summarize, binary. You give one input and the model decides between two categories. Multi-class. You give one input and the model picks one out of many possible classes. Multi-label. You give one input and the model assigns multiple labels. Visually, structurally, and logically, these problems are very different. And how we build models to handle them depends entirely on the type of classification task we are solving. We'll cover each of them in the next videos.